Big news from Portugal Auto Rentals. For years, we've helped travelers explore Portugal, simply, reliably, and at their own pace. And now, we're going further. We're expanding into Spain. With new locations in Ibiza, Las Palmas, Valencia, Alicante, and Palma de Mallorca. More destinations, more flexibility. The same simple and reliable experience, wherever your journey takes you. One brand, two countries. Endless ways to explore. Portugal Auto Rentals, now in Portugal and Spain. Explore it at your own pace, with Portugal Auto Rentals.